¡Desplomaron un pato! Everybody back there, fine? We're going crazy. It's going in lumberjack mode. Yeah, I think we go that way too.
This is dry lumberjack.
Chris está tomando algo ahí already. We went too far. Hold up.
Where did they go?
They're over there, between the trees.
Chris, you gotta come this way, you gotta make a left.
We gotta go over there, pero acá es fucking Sogras, acá mismo, so I don't know how far we're gonna be able to go.
Chris, you gotta make a left. Is that a fence?
Yeah, it's a fence in here. Because that's for the antenna shit.
You gotta go that way, Frank.
Yeah, I know, but there you have a whole bunch of Sogras in there.
Yeah, but no, you're good.
Alright, let's see.
Not on the map.
Alright, let me go back out a little.
Back up.
No, it's just enough so I can turn. It's just enough.
Let's go this way, there's a fence. Make a left.
It's just enough so I can turn in here.
Come this way, take a left.
Alright, how are we waiting for? We should be getting across already.
You wanna get across instead of going that way?
Yeah, 'cause I don't know how fucking top is there. Have you seen it in the map already?
Yeah, it's just, yeah. Look.
No, if you've seen it and you say it's fine, I trust you.
In the map, look. We're right here.
Oh, okay.
So we're like that?
Yeah, we're right behind this thing.
Like this way? Or
We should be going straight over there,
this way.
and we have a dirt road in there.
Look. It looks like a trail. See it?
Right here.
See that shit? And it pops out to those other trees.
Yeah, when we get it below, on the other side to the trees. Alright, what are we waiting for?
It's right there, Flaco.
Yeah, but we gotta get across the trees.
You gotta go across this way.
I know, but the trees is on the other side of that wide open area.
Yeah, but look, it looks like a trail. See it?
Okay, fuck it, let's go that way. Everybody good?
I don't know who's back there.
¿Quién se quedó? Venga, ¿quién se quedó? Ah, ¿y Diego? Diego left, no?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Diego left and Alex y el otro.
Yeah, no, those two, yeah, they left, yeah. So we have Guajiro and Chris.
Yeah.
But no, they didn't go forward. We are right next to the fucking antenna. Pablo.
Because you guys said make a left.
Oh shit, okay.
Yeah, so they're on the other side.
¿Por la calle?
Hoy no agarra la noche.
No, salimos rápido, pero no vamos a meter por la parte fea de vuelta.
See, I hope not, because I'm hungry.
Me too.
We should get out in the streets and let them move.
They popped out of the gas station. They're coming now.
Ah, so let's go meet up there.
No,
Huh?
no, they popped out. They're coming back in. We're going that way.
Ah, okay. So they popped up behind the gas station?
You got a beer?
They popped out right there.
No, beer, huh?
Salieron right there.
Okay, so we're waiting for them to meet up in here then.
They're coming here.
Okay.
So wanna go across, Michael?
What happened?
What do you wanna do? You wanna go across, or you
We go across.
wanna go across? Or what? You wanna go this way, like this, or let's just go across?
Let's go across.
Let's just go across, right?
Yeah, yeah. But let's wait for your brother to meet up in here.
It looks like somebody ran over a chicken with it. That tree.
Yeah, back there.
Yeah, it was that actual that one I was hearing.
Yeah, I give up already.
The inside part.
Yeah, I know.
It will go with pump, pump, pump. And when I will put it in reverse and go, I will hear it. I'm like, oh, what is that? And now I was hearing that, so I'm like, oh, that's what it is. And I got extra of those, so I think I could make another one. I'll just order a new one.
Oh, your brother going around? How can they popped up behind the gas station? We kind of far from the...
Popped out right there in the
Oh, right in the front of,
Right there, yeah.
in the front of the antenna. You said the gas station, so I said, what the fuck? They
No,
want
but
so far?
it is a gas station. That's the gas station.
No, the gas station right over there.
Oh, look at this. Where?
Oh shit, yeah, you're right. We are.
Look at them right there. Here, kid!
Oh, I see it.
Hit the horn. They pumped out of there.
Shit, I thought we were a little farther than the gas station.
Let's go to the gas station.
Why, you need gas? Don't tell me you need gas.
No, I want to eat.
Hey, what happened to Lewis and the pool?
They left.